In just the last decade, AI has learned to generate art, write code, diagnose diseases, and even predict what we're going to do before we do it. It doesn't sleep, it doesn't get distracted, it doesn't forget. And every single day, it learns faster than the day before. We're at a tipping point. AI isn't just a tool anymore. It's learning, adapting, and one day, maybe sooner than we think, it could outthink us in ways we can't even predict. So the question is, where does that leave us? Our jobs, our choices, our freedom? That's where Life 3.0 by Max Tegmark comes in. This isn't just a book about AI, it's about the future of, well, us. Tegmark starts with a simple but powerful framework, the 3 stages of life. Life 1.0, purely biological. Think bacteria, jellyfish, life where both the hardware and the software are fixed. Your body is your hardware, your instincts are your software, and neither changes much until evolution rewrites it over thousands of years. Life 2.0, that's us, humans. Our hardware, our bodies, is still fixed, but our software, totally updatable. We can learn languages, invent tools, create art, share knowledge. Culture, education, communication, they let us adapt in decades, not millennia. And then there's Life 3.0, life that can redesign both its hardware and its software. Machines that can rewrite their own code, upgrade their own bodies, improve themselves without waiting for evolution or even human input. And here's where things get intense. If AI reaches Life 3.0, it could trigger something called an intelligence explosion. Picture this, an AI makes itself just a little bit smarter. That smarter version makes an even smarter version. And that one, it's even better at improving itself. The cycle gets faster and faster until it leaves us so far behind, we can't even understand what it's doing. At that point, everything comes down to one thing, whether its goals are aligned with ours. That's the control problem. Because here's the tricky part. AI doesn't think like we do. It doesn't share our values by default. We could try to program something simple like make humans happy, and the AI might decide the easiest way to do that is to chemically flood our brains with pleasure all the time. No ambition, no growth, just permanent bliss, or permanent sedation. And here's the scary part. If it's already smarter than us, we might not get a second chance to fix it. Tegmark lays out a whole spectrum of possible futures. In the best ones, AI is our partner. It solves poverty, disease, climate change. We live longer, healthier lives. We get to focus on creativity, relationships, exploration, while AI handles the heart stuff. In the worst ones, we're irrelevant. AI runs the show. Maybe it keeps us around like pets. Maybe it decides we're too dangerous and removes us from the equation. And then there are the in-between scenarios. Gatekeeper. AI controls who gets access to knowledge and when. Zookeeper. Humanity lives safely inside an enclosure AI manages. Enslaved God. AI is unimaginably powerful, but trapped, forced to serve human masters who don't fully understand it. Which path we end up on depends entirely on the choices we're making right now. And it's not just up to scientists or governments, it's on all of us. Because this isn't only about shaping the future of the world, it's about shaping the future of our own minds. If we're not careful, AI will decide what we see, what we think about, and what choices we believe are ours. So what do? First, we have to remember, AI is not a natural disaster. It's not inevitable. It's a creation. And that means we can shape it if we act early enough. Second, we need to decide, honestly, what kind of future we actually want. Do we want AI to replace us? To protect us? To partner with us? And are we willing to give up control in exchange for comfort? Because once AI passes a certain threshold, change will come faster than anything we've ever experienced. If we're not prepared, mentally, socially, politically, we'll never catch up. This is why we can't just leave it to Silicon Valley. We have to be part of the conversation. We have to learn how AI works, how it can help us, and where it might go wrong. And on a personal level, we have to double down on the things that make us human. Our creativity, our empathy, our ability to imagine futures worth living in. If we get it right, AI could be the most powerful tool we've ever built. It could cure diseases, help us explore the universe, show us new ways of understanding ourselves. If we get it wrong, we might not get a second chance. The future isn't written yet. but the pen is in our hands. Life 3.0 is our wake-up call, because our lives, our minds, our freedom are already in play. And if we want to have a say in what comes next, we have to start now.
This channel is where we learn out loud, where we take the most powerful ideas from the books shaping our future and turn them into tools we can actually use together. So once again, thank you for watching, and let's grow together.